His weather balloon, and they left it up there, innit, for
They
time.
shot they shot down three, bro. Yeah, recently they've shot down three in the last 24 hours, and now there's another one, the fourth.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. It's 'cause like they almost let China on there for ages and didn't shoot it down, did it? So then, the
Nah, they're
people are
just shooting down everything. But it was an octagon shape.
Ir practicando. Pronto nos
it's
uniremos.
fucked.
Yeah, that is weird though, isn't it? Like, fucking hell, what is flying around?
Fin de los preparativos. Es hora del despliegue.
The big one, big fucking. Where should we go?
With a winning team, man.
Doing your mum. Someone coming in.
Yeah, we bullying. Alright, bro.
People diving down behind you. We're getting free.
Cajas fuertes enemigas con equipamiento de gran valor. Asegúrate. Tenéis autorización para atacar a todos los objetivos.
Yeah, have you killed him in the building? Or...
on.
Oh, I'm getting shot.
Marco.
On this side. Here he is in the house.
Caja fuerte abierta. A por las demás.
UAV hostil en la zona.
There's someone just landed on the roof.
Fortaleza localizada. Objetivos marcados en el mapa táctico. Un pelotón enemigo te busca. Evítalo. Falta una caja fuerte. Adelante. Ya tenéis el contenido. Contrato completado.
There's another safe cracker.
The car.
We get out of the safe
Oh
cracker.
yeah, there's a thing in there that. Oh, get him. He's the most wanted in the building.
Dead, I just saw him. Dead.
What was Formos? Help! He's He's in the bathroom, and you didn't help him.
Desplegarte.
They're camping in the building. They won't leave. I didn't realize it was in 4. Let's go. Yeah, onto the road. Oh, where's the thing? Yeah.
Coño. Coño.
Vuelve a la base.
Where are these guys in the room? It's so sick. They're dead then. Oh no.
Oh, I see them. They're still in this building.
Movimiento enemigo.
UAV here. Got one in scuba. Random. Oh, I've got nothing. But they've got to come out, innit?
Ah, I see one just jump off.
Where they go? Which way?
He carried on going this way.
Should we hunt them and put the UAV?
Yeah, he's in the one that
Oh, he is. Thinks he's smart. They ain't your whip, fam.
Viendo
fucked
enemigo.
him up. Oh my days.
Tried to jump out and actually tried to get away there. Oh, there's one behind us. They're the boy.
Kind of swap car.
UAV aliado en posición.
Sorry, buddy, that's my whip.
Ah, D.
You have to take my shit, bro. Come, let's have a look at where they're quick. We got a way to go there.
Entrega de armamento en camino.
Look at camping.
Should have bought some paper.
There's a really good gun here.
I'm cool, you know. I got a sniper. Buy some armor. Slow down, Rick.
I'm just climbing up my
What have you
ladder.
got now? Got 500.
Storm.
Todos a la zona segura.
UAV enemigo encima.
And the UAV bit, oh, they don't catch up.
Come, guys, let's go over.
Where should we go? One more?
I say we cross over this way. Straight over, like back of the building. Up the little hill.
Wait for them. There's Claymore around the corner. And there's boys lying here on the floor. And another one. There's two teams there. There's two teams there.
El gas avanza. Nueva zona segura.
Yeah.
Vuestro compañero está en el gulag. Si sobrevive, se redesplegará. Tu compañero ha entrado en el gulag. Se redesplegará si sobrevive.
No, ici.
Two right for side then. I heard him put Claymore there.
3 plaques.
Behind us, where we just come from.
Compañero, en la zona.
I need my throw back in here, that's good. Where we landing, Riz? Let's land.
I was using my handgun then. Fucking land back on them pricks. Where's that guy? Oh, with the storm there still. Grab me out of here, let me grab a country. No, that's not far enough away though, is it? Oh, I was gonna grab that, but it's not like that. Mine's a hog rock, it's shooting me. Damn. Yeah, me too. This is still quite close. Fuck's sake, bro. So we just go towards our loader.
You know what? I'm gonna push that way.
Oh yeah, please. So come on. Someone else. What the fuck?
Necesito munición de calibre medio.
El gas se acerca. Trasladando zona segura.
UAV enemigo activo.
The fuck is it?
Barra eléctrica aquí.
Oh,
Oh, he's fucking below me.
red chair.
Got
Through the window.
Get my
Oh
gun
my
and I'll
god.
fucking die. What's the point?
Chair, bro. So close. A ladder, bro. Game's done. Bro, why did you come down here, you fucking idiot?
Bruv, I'll take my little...
Was everyone dead?
Everyone's dead, bro. We're relying on you. Take all my money. Take all my money. I must be rich. Take all the rest of the money as well as another bag.
Hold on.
Tiempo agotado. Contrato fallido.
Oh my god, my pad did that. I don't even go in it.
No, no bullets in this car. I'll take that. Like one shot.
But what's the bar? Oh my god.
Prisa, pero ya ajustaremos cuentas. Revisad el equipo. Empezamos en breve.
Guay. Il est dans.
What? Ah, il a
Ok,
un
crack.
c'est fils de pute. Ah non, ah ouais, ok. Mais c'est des Français, je crois. Là, c'est notre équipe, les gars, je pense. Là.
Ok, à terre.
Bien joué, les gars.
¡Muévete, soldado! ¡En tierra!
Este es el Gulag. Tendrás que luchar para ganarte el redespliegue.
Soldados, os ofrezco una vida por una vida. Matad a los demás y os devolveré a la zona de guerra. 4, entra. Salvo que
À terre.